Hi everybody and welcome back. I have an awesome recipe today for you. It's only gonna take 3 ingredients, super fast and easy, and inspired by a good friend of mine, Randy Gilbert. This one's for you. I have here cheese puffs. I have here some white cheddar cheese puffs. They are bunny edition because that's the only ones I could find, but they're amazing. And I have some Cool Ranch Doritos. I thought that just sounds like it'd make a really good chicken crust. So let's make it. All right, first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all our little snack chips and we're gonna crush them up in a little bag. Then we can coat our chicken. This is gonna be delicious, 'cause who doesn't love Cheetos? Cheetos are so good. They're addicting. All right. We gotta get more in there. Let's try that. I probably don't even need the rolling pin for this part. This would be fun for kids to do too, because, you know, what kid doesn't like to smash stuff up? And when you give them permission to, even better. All right, that looks like it's good. A couple little ones in there. Okay. Dump that one in our bowl. Ooh, yummy! Okay, next, Doritos. Actually, you know what? Let's just see if we can smash them up in the bag. That's so sad. That's all the chips that are in there. That's the rest of that's air. So sad. All right. Yum! Whoa. This one has more air in it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put this in the bag because I'm not getting to it anymore. Okay, I learned from last time. Stick it in the bag first, then pop it. All right, those look like they're small enough. And then our white cheddar puffs. Which I already snacked on, so I can confirm they are good. Little Peter Cottontails. Poor little Peter Cottontail. Always fun to play with your food before you eat it, right? Okay, I think we're good there. Although I probably am gonna need some more. So let's do a second batch of that. All right. So I've got our chicken tenders here. I'm just gonna dip them in some butter. Shake off the excess. Dunk them in our gold. Yay! I may need more of this. Yummy! I'm so excited. You can do this with any chips that you like or any sort of toppings. I got to thinking, you know, I've got the sweet chili chips and you got all sorts of things you can put on there. Spicy Takis. Crunchy ranch Doritos. This would be good for game nights too, you know? Have a little chicken strips. Wow, I just made a huge mess. I'm really excited to try this one. I think this one's gonna be amazing. All right, we're gonna bake these at 450 degrees for about 20 minutes and checking to make sure they're done, and then we're gonna dig in. All righty. I can smell that Cheetos. Smells delicious. Okay, we're gonna let those cool down for just a minute and then we're gonna dig in. Okay, I think they're cool enough. We're gonna try them, and if they're not cool enough, we're still gonna try them. So, because I can't wait no more. I got some ranch here. You can use any other dipping that you want or none, just eat them plain. Let's start with Randy's favorite first. Cheeto. Randy, you have to try this. That's really good. Okay. Now we got Cool Ranch. That's really hot still. Okay, I'm gonna try this without the ranch just to see what it's like on its own. Heck yeah! That's really good. That's really good. I don't care if I double dip, this is just for me, so. That's a great combo. I'm getting this everywhere. Oh, wow. Okay. Here comes the white cheddar. I like that one. It's not as kick you in the face as I was expecting, but it's really good. Okay. That's a great combo. That definitely kicked it up a notch. So on that note, I'm taking these and I'm gonna go scarf them down. See you later.